So this is k t square. These are also possible expressions with respect to Boyle's law. Take down that, then we'll switch over to slide. Yesterday we have drawn up to this last graph, log p versus log 1 by v. PV is equal to k. At that time, power has
Good
completely gone.
morning,
At
sir.
that point, we have left out at
ऐसा बोल रहा है
322 yesterday. Continue from this one, then we'll go
Nine
to the
alumna.
slide.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sayyid Abdul Hannan. Anybody is there by this name? Sayyid Muhammad Abdul Hannan. Beta Hannan, you have to write your way of writing to be as a junior, GL40, 41, then your roll number, then your name, and then come back to the class. Okay, bye. Is it over? Is it over? No. Yesterday we have said that if you are talking about measurable properties, out of 4 properties we cannot study for, we have to keep 2 constant. So in case of Boyle's law, we have kept temperature and amount of gas constant. Let us take the other one. If you want to talk about the other aspect, then we can say, sir, second law that may be given as something like this. Charles law. Here in this case, what we say, suppose for example, we are trying to measure the properties, then again we have to keep 2 constant. For a given amount of gas,
Hotman, shall we start? Again, you will say you have to go early.
Start, sir.
at constant pressure. Yes.
Will you be having class tomorrow, chemistry, or tomorrow also holiday, Saturday?
Volume is directly proportional. Directly proportional to
No, my
absolute
intention is,
temperature.
can I take tomorrow class also early, is what I'm asking.
Right? Now, what are the properties we are keeping constant? Number of moles. Amount of gas is measured in terms of
Yes,
number
sir.
of moles. And then we are having
Yes, sir.
constant pressure. This implies
और कल फिर
volume
class नहीं
of
होगा,
given
sure है?
mass of a gas is directly proportional
Not
to
sure, sir.
temperature in Kelvin scale
We'll
if
quickly inform you
N,
whether there
comma,
is
P
class or not.
are constants.
Okay.
Usually there is no class, sir.
Right. Now, when you are saying that one, then say, sir, V is equal to something known as KT, or ratio
And
of
why
volume
yesterday's
and
class में बीच में
absolute
कट गया या
temperature
what happened
always
yesterday?
remains a constant quantity.
And
This
sir was not
implies
having Wi-Fi
Charles
net,
law
so
may
he
be
was
given as
doing
V
on his mobile
proportional
data.
to T.
So
Charles law
instead, he
may
was cutting
also
on
be
the
given
evening.
as V1 upon
Today.
T1 is equal to
Yesterday, sir.
V2 upon
Yesterday.
T2.
Today, he there is a
Ratio of
power cut in his
volume
home.
and absolute temperature, Kelvin
It's a
temperature,
problem at every place,
remains
man.
always
Frequently
a
power is going
constant
off.
quantity, whatever be the nature of the gas, provided that you should have a number of moles remains constant, right? Next, if you are taking this property as a constant, then we can say, sir, as we have discussed in case of gaseous state, in case of Boyle's law,
When I was in
volume
school, I
by
was told
temperature
that
is
India
supposed
is
to
a
be
developing
constant
country.
quantity. This implies some people
Now
say
also they say India is a
the other way of
developing
saying,
country.
right? In some books, in 10th class, you
And
might have
still we
read
have
this
power
one
cuts.
also, that for every 1 degree rise in
If it
temperature,
rains, there's a
for
power cut.
every 1 degree rise in temperature, volume of gas increases with respect to volume at 0 degrees. For that purpose,
If
we
there is a
write
storm, there is
mathematical
a
form.
power cut.
Suppose, for example,
If a
V
tree
naught is
falls on the
volume
road,
at
there is a power cut.
0 degrees centigrade. So if suppose, for example, if I'm
What
saying,
is
sir,
this,
I
man?
want to talk about T, then it is supposed to be V
Shall we
naught
start?
plus
Yes, sir.
1 by
You say
273.15
you have to go early.
times. People say 1 by 273, that's okay. 1 by 273 times that of original volume at 0 degrees centigrade and measure temperature. So what is temperature? I increase the temperature by 1 degree, 1 by this, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. No, 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 T degree. Therefore, Vt is equal to V naught. I can take common T plus T by. This is not having much significance to us, but remember the statement. What is the statement? The statement is for every 1 degree rise in temperature,
What is the last column?
volume increases by plus
Ray reflection y-axis 0 comma beta. Beta is
1 by
beta.
273.15
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
times to its volume at 0 degrees. What is that value? V naught. Right? This is also one of the way of expressing the Charles law. Next, when we are discussing this, then normally what we can say, sir, V by T is equal to constant. If you are taking this, then we have V is equal to some K. That means if I want to express it, becomes Y is equal to MX type of property. How do we proceed for that? Very simple, sir. If you take volume along y-axis and absolute temperature, take care of the statement. I am saying temperature in kelvins. If it is so, then here I have taken volume, then y is equal to mx, straight line passing through the origin. So we may have this type of graph. Something like this. Now,
A ray of
these type
light.
of graphs are supposed to be measured at which
Read the
temperature?
problem.
Sorry,
Can I
at
dictate?
which pressure? Constant pressure. Therefore, these
A ray
graphs
of
must be
light
named as
passing through.
isobars. They are called isobars. Yesterday we have taken graphs which are called as isotherms. These are known as isobars. Now, for that purpose, if it is isobar, then I can say this is supposed to be pressure, Px. This is supposed to be pressure, Py. This is three different isobars available. Now, that fellow will ask you, how do you have comparison? For that purpose, yesterday what we have done, take any one of the property, either x-axis or y-axis constant. Suppose if I take this to be as a constant, then we are having a perpendicular to be drawn, and corresponding this perpendicular, this is known as volume at pressure Pz, very high volume. This is lower volume correspondingly, and this is supposed to be very low value. Now, just now we have studied Boyle's law. What Boyle's law say? Volume and pressure are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, whenever we are discussing this higher volume, that higher volume corresponds to lower pressure. What is the meaning of that? This means to say, according to this graphical representation, this implies Pz should be less. These are possible questions. Px, right? Since volume is high, pressure should be low. We are applying Boyle's law in this case. No, no, sir, not like this. Suppose, for example, in case of the graph, I have taken V is
Answer.
equal to K T. I don't want to take in kelvins. How to convert this kelvins into Celsius scale? We have said in the previous class, Kelvin scale is equal to degree centigrade plus 273.15. For calculations, I happy with 273 only. When you are writing this, then you can say, sir, this K is equal to, as it is a constant. Now I can say this is T. Small t is usually taken for Celsius scale. Capital T is taken for Kelvin scale. That is universal way of enjoyment. This is 273.15. If you take this one, then suppose, for example, you are saying, sir, I want to take this, what, K T 273.15 in terms of graphical representation, then see what happens.
This is incident ray. This
For that purpose,
is
if you take
reflected
volume
ray.
along y-axis, and here I have taken temperature. Remember that I have taken temperature in Celsius scale, right? It is not in Kelvin scale. If suppose, for example, you are having temperature in Celsius scale, then degree centigrade temperature
What you should look at?
in degree centigrade. This is supposed to be 0 degree centigrade.
Image
At 0
of T
degree
with respect
centigrade,
to
remember that if
x-axis.
you write
If I
0
want
here, there will be some
what
volume
is your
available.
T-dash
At 0 degree centigrade, volume is not 0.
2,
At 0
-3.
kelvins, this is known as 0 kelvins. At 0
What is the
kelvins,
equation to
temperature
reflected
volume
ray?
is equal to 0. Yes, it is true. But at 0 degree
Y plus
centigrade,
3
there
is
will be no
equals to
such case. There will be certain volume
0
available.
minus of
Now,
minus
how to
3
understand what is the situation and how the graph looks
by
like?
9
The graph
minus
should be
2
something like this.
into x minus 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Denominator 7. 7y plus 21.
Something in this manner. Right. Suppose, for example, if we are drawing the graph in a systematic way using scale and all those things, then properly we can enjoy these type of graphs. And in such cases, remember that each graph is known as an isobar. These graphs are called as isobars. At different temperatures I have taken are, suppose, for example, if you take this point as a common point for all the graphs, right? Then this point is supposed to be minus 273.15 degree centigrade. People call this as 0 Kelvin. At this particular temperature, gaseous state is not available. Gaseous state is not available. But remember that what the statement we have to say, instead of saying gaseous state is not available, volume occupied by the gas is supposed to be 0. The way of saying is, at this temperature, what is the temperature? Minus 273.15 R dash 0. When you are saying 0, it is in terms of kelvins, right? And in case of degree centigrade, minus 273.15. Now, this is the temperature which is theoretically possible. By taking the plot, I can understand it. But remember that before reaching this point only, gaseous state will convert into liquid state, and sometimes it may go to solid state also. Therefore, gaseous state do not exist, or in other language, you can say it is not possible to attain this temperature. Theoretically, okay, I can say, but practically you cannot go to this temperature. Now, this is supposed to be the particular point where you can say, sir, this is known as volume, right? This is supposed to be the volume of gas which we can measure, right? When I discuss the future topic, ideal gas, then I'll show you what is the meaning of this. Again, I'll take Boyle's law, Charles' law to explain that equation. If you are talking about this, then this is supposed to be at one pressure, another pressure, same thing as you are saying here in this case. If you are increase the volume, higher volume, pressure will be less. Go ahead, take down these graphs for Charles' law. Try to use proper pen and scale and draw the graphs in a systematic way. Yeah. These two are enough for us to enjoy. All right. This temperature is taken as reference temperature. Abdullah Sohail Ahmad, if you don't understand that one, please go back to notes and see relation between K is equal to degree centigrade plus 73.15. At that place, write down K is equal to 0. I hope you can understand that. So before understanding and before going to chat box, becoming typist, you have to learn the subject properly. Everything is on the screen. Go to that relation and simply substitute 0, you get answer. You don't know anything, beta. 0 degree centigrade is equal to 73.5 is wrong, beta. You don't know anything. I am saying that substitute in case of that K is equal to 0, you'll get answer. Whatever you know, you just remove from your mind and remove your complete hard disk to be format and then new parameters to be added. Okay. Relation K is Celsius plus 273.15. I think you know it. This one. Do you know that relation? Sohail Ahmad. If you know wrong relations, remove them. Yes, you don't know. Therefore, learn that. For that purpose only, I have taught you. K is equal to, see here. I think you may not be able to see the screen properly because you have lack of concentration. See this one? Yes. This is a relation. Now, in place of keep 0, then what happens? Degree centigrade, this goes that side. I think in maths, if some number goes from left to right, plus becomes minus. Okay, you have to see the screen carefully, beta. You have to see the screen carefully, and then is it over? are learning new things, so you have to learn first what is taught and then apply it. Okay, very good. For 1 degree in centigrade. Is it over? All of you written? Abrar is asking one question. Come on. Now listen, there is a beautiful question asked by one person, Abrar, boy. He is saying for every 1 degree rise in temperature. So he is trying to say, no, 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 1 degree centigrade. राइट ये आप लोगों को पता नहीं क्या बात है आपकी क्लास में बहुत से बच्चे अच्छे हैं सिंसियर लेकिन बाद बच्चों को बीमारी है राइट आरिफ हाशमी स्टेटमेंट लिखने के बाद में नहीं ऐसा नहीं सर ऐसा होना चाहिए सर आई डोंट नो इज इट लाइक दैट ये अहमा खानी ऊंची चीज बोलते हैं इसको कमजोरी के नाम से राइट हाँ डाउट है तो सर ये क्या है पूछ सकते हैं नहीं ये ऐसा होना चाहिए था वैसा होना चाहिए आपको कुछ नहीं आता ना बेटा आप जीरो है तो आप खाली पूछती है सर क्वेश्चन बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल है व्हाट इज दैट सर 1 डिग्री ये क्या चीज है इज इट 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस और केल्विन्स अब जरा गौर से एंजॉय करो द ब्यूटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट विच यू डोंट नो इन योर 10th क्लास इट्स नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम इट्स प्रॉब्लम ऑफ योर टीचर्स जिनका पढ़ाने का तरीका चलो ठीक है 2 + 3 = 5 शाउट करो आंसर हो गया 10/10 Suppose, for example, if I take 0 degree centigrade, then what happens? 273.15 kelvins. 273.15 kelvins. हाँ केल्विन को डिग्री नहीं लिखना ठीक है चलिए अब 100 डिग्रीज बनाइए क्या हो गया 373.15 केल्विन अब बोलो इसमें चेंज कितना हुआ डेल्टा का मतलब चेंज कितना हुआ 100 यूनिट्स का हुआ यहां पे चेंज कितना हुआ 100 यूनिट्स का हुआ इसका क्या मतलब है इसका मतलब है whenever we are writing Celsius scale absolute temperature you should write degree centigrade when you're writing Kelvin scale write down K don't write degree but whenever you are taking delta T remember delta T has no significance of units by delta T same in case of Celsius scale and Kelvin scale ये सब 10th class में पढ़े हुए हैं आप delta T is supposed to be same in case of Celsius हाँ if suppose you are going to Fahrenheit if you are suppose going to Reamer scale yes वहां पे अलग अलग होगा वो हमारे काम का नहीं है because nowadays those two systems are outdated they are 1947 love stories so here what you have to remember here chaliye why to remember I'll write it here difference in temperature अच्छा point है difference in temperature has no significance of what units okay as long as सिर्फ दोनों की बात कर रहा हूं मैं डिग्री सेल्सियस और केल्विन दूसरे नहीं ठीक है और 2 स्केल्स हैं जो हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं इज इट क्लियर अब्रार लिख लीजिए वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट। अब इसको जहन में रखो, इसको याद नहीं करना है, इसको अपने पास ऐसा रखना है समझ के, याद नहीं करना। वी आर नॉट पैरट्स, वी आर साइंटिस्ट्स, वी आर नॉट पैरट्स। चलिए, नाउ दिस इज चार्ल्स लॉ। नाउ देयर इज अ स्मॉल होमवर्क फॉर यू। When we are discussing Charles' law, some people say Charles law number 2, some people say Gay-Lussac's law, right? See, this is your homework. Some people say Charles law number 2, second law. Some people say Ementon's law. इसको ऐसा भी लिखो। चलिए, ये क्या है? Come on. For a given amount of gas at constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. मैं इसका एक झलक बता देता हूँ आपको, बाकी का सब आप लोग जीनियस हैं, कर सकते हैं। At constant temperature, no, constant pressure, volume of given mass of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. ये था at constant NNT. अब सिंपली NNP, अब क्या करेंगे, हल्का सा इसको चेंज करके इसको यहाँ पे P बनाएंगे, इसको यहाँ पे V बनाएंगे, तो कौन सा लॉ बनेगा? चार्ल्स लॉ 2, राइट? For a given amount of gas at constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. ठीक है? उसके बाद ये सेम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, as you are saying here in this case, sir, suppose for example if I am talking about this statement, what? For every 1 degree rise in temperature, volume increases by, ठीक है, अब क्या बोलेंगे? For every 1 degree rise, 1 degree rise in temperature, pressure increases P naught plus T by 273.15 V in P naught, ठीक है? Same situation, P is equal to KT, P on y-axis, T on x-axis. We are having graphs. What are the name of those graphs? Constant volume के ग्राफ को कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? They are called isochore. Isochores are the graphs which are measured at constant volume. So यहाँ पे graphs आएंगे. Then go ahead. Similarly, you can draw P versus T in Celsius scale, and you have 0 degree centigrade. This is x-axis. So that boy who said, I don't know what is the minus y you are getting. This is called positive end of the graph. This is called negative end of the graph. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. I can go up to -273.15 Kelvin. This is called 0 kelvins. ठीक है? 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड लिखे तो 273 लिखना प्लस, अगर यहाँ -270 लिखे इधर तो यहाँ पे 0 आएगा। ये अंडरस्टूड है। ओके, टेक डाउन दिस राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट, Gay-Lussac's law, होमवर्क बना के थोड़ी जगह छोड़िए, जितनी जगह आपको यहाँ लगी है उतनी जगह छोड़िए, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ेंगे। Shall I proceed? I hope you can do homework because you people are genius students. Okay, nice. Come on, come to next one. D. What is this? Last one, Avogadro's law. You might have heard a number of times is the word Avogadro's hypothesis. Yes, here in this case, we are writing that in the form of a law. What is that? Suppose, for example, you are saying, sir, if you want to talk about the 4 properties till now, what we have done, sir, pressure, volume, number of moles, temperature. These are the variables. Now, what we have done, we have discussed all of them. Now, we have left out with 2 relations, these 2 relations, volume and number of moles. And that relation is given by Avogadro's hypothesis, or you can say Avogadro's law. What is hypothesis? A statement which has no experimental proof. And law is supposed to have experimental proof, right? Now, what he suggested, something like this, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. That means you want to make this constant. Under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases. Contains same number of molecules. Better to say moles, because if moles are same, molecules are same according to stoichiometry, like this. This is known as Avogadro's statement. If you want to write it mathematically, very simple, sir. This fellow is saying volume is directly proportional to number of moles if P comma T are constant. Right? Now here in this case, in Charles law, I think I can do one more graphical representation I can show you that is very suitable for you to enjoy as a question. This is your homework. Suppose, for example, you want to draw a graph, something like this. What is the, sir, V is equal to KT. Log V, if you want to take the graph, I missed this graph, becomes log K plus log T. I'll write slightly in this order. First, I'll write log T, no problem. Log T. It will be Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now, how to proceed for this? Very simple. Suppose you are having log y, log v along y-axis, and log of t. Capital T means Kelvin. Now, y is equal to mx plus c. What is m? Slope of the graph. What is c? Intercept. What is the meaning of slope, sir? Positive. First of all, positive slope, positive intercept. And what is the slope? 1 here. 1 means theta is equal to 45. How to proceed? The graph looks like to be something like this. Okay. This angle is supposed to be theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Now, this value, what you are saying is intercept, is called log k. And what is k? We'll enjoy later on. Please take down this in the Charles law itself. Take down this in the Charles law. And if it is over, tell me. I'll proceed to again Avogadro's law back. Is it over? All right. If we are going for Avogadro's hypothesis, volume is proportional to this one. Therefore, we can say, sir, volume is equal to some constant k into m, right? Then we can simply say, sir, v1 by m1 is equal to all these. You are now familiar with how to deal with these statements. Vm by n, number of moles, 1 to n, we can say proceed like this. You can take graphical representation of V and K also. This is all graphs homework. Take down this. These are called as gas laws, right? Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law. Shall I proceed? Is it over? Come on. Once we have done all these laws, come to the next discussion. I'm trying to combine of what we have done till now. Let us try to enjoy the game like this. First one, I like in some order which I want to enjoy according to Avogadro's law. Volume of given gas is directly proportional to its number of moles if temperature and pressure are constant. Nice. Let us ask Mr. Boyle, Boyle's law. Volume of given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure of the gas if P, N are constants. If you talk about C, Charles' law, then volume of given mass of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature if P, N are constants. Very good. If you are having these three statements, you are observing some common thing in that A and B and C laws. This implies very simple, sir. Volume is directly proportional to N, directly proportional to T, and inversely proportional to pressure. No, sir. PV is proportional to NT. No, sir. Remove this and write a constant. What we do? We write a constant as something known as R. And then people say a very linguist type of language, very commonly available to everybody, NRT. PV is equal to NRT. What is this PV is equal to NRT? This PV is equal to NRT is known as perfect gas equation. This is known as ideal gas equation. Yes, today our job is to enjoy ideal gas equation as a conclusion of all the gas laws which we have done. Ideal gas equation is given as PV is equal to nRT. Some people say this to be as perfect gas equation also. Ideal gas is also called perfect gas. Now, once you're understanding, then the question is, okay, sir, where P, what is this P here? P is supposed to be pressure of gas. Remember, pressure of gas. And when we are discussing this V, okay, then you can say very simple, sir, this must be volume of gas. Yes, it is volume of gas, but better languages don't say volume of gas, say volume of container, because volume of gas is always equal to volume of the container due to almost zero intermolecular force of attractions and random motion of gas molecules. What is this N? Very simple, sir. This N is known as number of moles of the gas which we are studying. Nice. What is this T? Right, this is called temperature, but it must be in kelvins. All the problems of gaseous state in this chapter, we should take T as always in kelvins. Now the question is, sir, who is this fellow R? Sir, this is supposed to be a constant, right? The name of this fellow is given as universal gas constant. It is called as universal gas constant. Why it is so? Let us enjoy later on. Universal gas constant. Now, this is the way with which we can get the derive the PV is equal to nRT. No one is going to ask you show all these things. That is my tension. That is my headache. Your headache is enjoy that meaning and physical significance. If you are discussing, sir, I want to enjoy the ideal gas equation, then in your mind you are having first question, who is that fellow R? What is the name? Yes, sir, I know the name, but the name नाम में क्या रखा है? उसकी बात क्या है? What is the meaning? Physical significance, right? So let us try to enjoy that point. Physical significance of universal gas constant R. Very simple, sir. PV is equal to nRT. ठीक है. R is equal to PV by NT. ये भी ठीक है. P is equal to force per unit area. Very good, sir. Into volume. Area into length by N into T. Suppose, for example, if this is, I want to cancel this, then what happens? F into L. L is nothing but distance or displacement. If you are enjoying the laws of motion, then you can say force into displacement is called work done, work or energy. Therefore, what is R? R is, okay, wait a minute. Let me write first mathematical statement. R is equal to F into L. What is F into L? Work done by dash N and T. Now, what is significance of R? Significance of R is if N is equal to 1 and temperature has been changed to 1 degree. 1 degree. I am not talking about Celsius and Kelvin because I said just now difference in temperature has no significance of units. So if you take this one, then R is nothing but work done. Therefore, how to define R? Very simple, sir. R is defined as amount of work done per degree, yes, per degree, per mole of a gas, yes. Now, if you are sincerely thinking and your mind is working on a proper line, sir, what do you mean by work done by gas? I am doing work, it is understood. You people are doing work, it is understood, right? Kazim sir is also doing work, yes, it is understood, right? But gas is doing work. What is the meaning of that? Expansion of the gas, compression of the gas, yes. If suppose, for example, you are expanding the gas, then you are doing the compression work, that is known as work done. What is work done? Work done is expansion of gas or dash compression of gas, right? Okay, okay, sir, I got significance of R. Now the question is, who is R? मालूम हो गया. What is name of the R? मालूम हो गया. अब question क्या पड़ेगा, sir? What is the value of R? Okay, what is value of R? This is very important because we have to use this in problems. चलिए, let us try to enjoy a very simple systematic way. R. What is R? R is equal to 8.317 into 10 power 7. 7 कहाँ से आया सर? ये तो 4 है. 10 power 7 erg per degree per mole. This is taken as erg per degree per mole, right? But erg, what is this erg? CGS unit. Nowadays, people are not using CGS system, therefore we don't use this one, right? What we use? 8.314 joule. If you take 10 power 7 out, 10 power 7 erg is equal to 1 joule. 10 power 7, 1 joule per degree per mole. And if you write this, it should correct value is 8.314, but when I'm doing problems, I have to save my time. For that purpose, I will enjoy 25 by 3. As you said in atomic structure, what you said? Hc 2 10 power minus 25, approximate number, because I have to choose among 4 options, so I have to save my time. This is a way of time management. Next, R is equal to, this is most commonly used, R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per degree per mole. Sir, there is a problem. What is this liter atmosphere? ये कहाँ से आ गया? आप तो बोल रहे थे वर्क की बात करो, ठीक है? I am discussing about work only. But where from you got this work? This work you got from PV. Therefore, remember that this work is called PV work, right? What is PV work? Expansion and compression is called PV work. बस लोग इसको ऐसा, कुछ authors ऐसा enjoy करते हैं. Gas has done some PV work, expansion or compression. P atmosphere, V liters. Yes, liter atmosphere, liter into atmosphere. Now this is also again a problem to me. 0.0821 लिखना, simplify करना थोड़ा सा difficult होगा, time waste होगा, इसलिए for that purpose we have a number 1 by 12.18. Sir, ये भी मुश्किल है. 1 by 12 approximate answer आएगा. ये है 1 by 12, right? Whenever we are doing integer calculations, numerical type of calculations, please use 1 by 12.18. Whenever you are doing single answer questions, 1 by 12, क्योंकि 4 options आपके पास हैं available. ठीक है? Next, R is given as 82.1. ये teachers लिखाते हैं, मुझको पसंद नहीं है. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करे 1000 से तो ये आ गया, तो अब ये लीटर जाके क्या हो गया? ml हो गया. चलो एक नई वैल्यू आ गई. काम बढ़ाने के लिए ऐसा भी करते हैं लोग, राइट? या फिर ऐसा बोलिए कि बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आता कन्वर्शन तो बताते हैं. चलो किसी भी हाल में हम भी लिख दिया आपके लिए. नेक्स्ट, R is equal to 1.987. Sir, why don't you write 2? Yes, 2 calories per degree per mole. ठीक है? अब इसको फिर थोड़ा सा और आपको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, और एक यूनिट है बेटा, देखो क्या लिखते हैं? 2 into 10 power minus 3. कैलोरीज जाके क्या हो गया? किलो कैलोरीज हो गया. बट ये पीपल आर जीनियस, आपके लिए इशारा काफी है. These are the possible values and all you have to remember, except that fellow erg 10 power से use नहीं होता, लेकिन all the remaining values are useful. Remaining story we'll discuss. First we complete this, then later on in the next episode we'll go for the next story. Yes, go ahead. Heading right down, ideal gas equation. What was it? What is the first one? क्या पूछ रहे बेटा? According to R units, ergs, erg, erg, erg. Fine. That will stop here. The remaining discussion, this is one significance, one discussion of ideal gas. We'll try to enjoy different cases of ideal gases in the next class, and our next class will be on Monday, right? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.